Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. Let us look at this problem related to algebra quadratic equations. Raman and Manoj tried to solve a quadratic equation. Raman and Manoj tried to solve a quadratic equation. So let us say the quadratic equation is what we know generally is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Raman made a mistake while noting down the constant term. So he has taken it as, let us say, ax square plus bx. Instead of c, he has taken some c dash equals to 0. Hence ended up with the roots 4, 3. Manoj made a mistake writing down the quotient of x term. So he has taken ax square plus b dash x plus c equals to 0. Actual quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Raman has taken the constant term wrong and Manoj has taken quotient of x term wrong, and he got the roots as 3, 2. We need to find out the actual roots. Now if I take 4, 3 are the roots, what will be my quadratic equation? X minus 4 into x minus 3 equals to 0, or x square minus 7x plus 12 equals to 0. Now we know that in scenario only constant term is wrong, remaining all are correct. That means we got 1x square minus 7x. We just need to calculate what is the value of c now. To know the value of c, let's go to the second scenario. Manoj made a mistake writing down the quotient of x term and he got the roots as 3, 2. That means the quadratic equation in this scenario will be x minus 3 into x minus 2 equals to 0, which is x square minus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. Now Manoj made a mistake in writing down the quotient of x term. That means x square quotient and the constant term are correct. What is the constant term here? 6. That is what is missing with us earlier. So we got our quadratic equation as x square minus 7x plus 6 equals to 0. Now they are asking what are the exact roots of this. Now again we can split the middle term and we can see that this is x minus 1 into x minus 6 equals to 0, which is x minus 1 equals to 0 or x minus 6 equals to 0, which will give us x equals to 1 or x equals to 6. So the roots are either 1 or 6. So what will be the exact roots of the actual quadratic equation? They are 1, 6. Let's have a recap of this problem. Raman and Manoj tried to solve a quadratic equation. Raman made a mistake while noting down the constant term and hence ended up with the roots as 4, 3. Manoj made a mistake in writing down the quotient of x and he got the roots as 3, 2. What will be the exact roots of actual quadratic equation? Let the actual quadratic equation be ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Raman made a mistake while noting down the constant term. So he has taken ax square plus bx. Till then it is correct, but constant term he took it wrong as some c dash. And he got the roots as 4, 3. According to that, the quadratic equation should be x square minus 7x plus 12 equals to 0. But we know in this quadratic equation constant term is wrong. So quotient of x square is 1 and quotient of x is minus 7. So ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 is x square minus 7x plus constant term equals to 0. Now we have to calculate what is that constant term. For that we go to the next scenario. We have been told that Manoj made a mistake in writing down the quotient of x. So he got quotient of x square and constant terms are correct and he got the roots as 2, 3. In this scenario the quadratic equation will be x square minus 5x plus 6 equals to 0, which is x minus 2 into x minus 3 equals to 0. Now here the constant term and the quotient of x square are correct. That means constant term is 6. So we know now that c equal to 6. So the exact roots of actual quadratic equation, that is x square minus 7x plus 6 equals to 0 roots. By splitting middle term we can write it as x minus 1 into x minus 6 equals to 0, or x equal to 1 or x equal to 6. So the exact roots are 1 comma 6.